Elon Musk just shattered the battery game. While China says he can't build one, Tesla is building a battery so fast, it charges before your coffee cools, lasts longer than your house mortgage, and doesn't need a single ounce of Chinese lithium. This isn't a tweak, it's a total revolution, and it's coming in a $9,000 Tesla. Forget what you know about EVs, this changes everything. Let me show you how. Asterisk, he doesn't know how to make a battery. That's what the head of China's CATL boldly said about Elon Musk. But while critics throw stones, Tesla is already building what could change everything. China's battery dominance isn't just being challenged, its foundation is starting to crack. Why? Because Tesla's groundbreaking aluminum-ion battery is nearing full-scale reality. A battery that charges in just 10 minutes, lasts over 25 years, cuts manufacturing costs by up to 75%, and breaks the global dependence on Chinese lithium. This isn't just about one car. It's about transforming the entire electric vehicle industry, making EVs faster, more affordable, and safer for everyone. If you're tired of hype and want real innovation, hit subscribe on Road Zone Reviews. We're driving toward 133,659 subscribers, and you won't want to miss Tesla's next bold leap, so hit the bell and stay ahead of the curve. How is Tesla's aluminum-ion supercapacitor fusion tech about to rewrite the future of energy storage? For over a decade, lithium-ion batteries have powered our devices, from phones to electric cars. But if you break down the numbers, the weaknesses are clear. Lithium-ion cells offer energy densities between 300 and 500 watt-hours per kilogram. Tesla's new aluminum-ion fusion tech boosts that to an estimated 1,000 watt-hours per kilogram, packing more than twice the energy into the same footprint. That means more range, in less space, than charging. Lithium-ion typically takes 3.045 minutes for a full charge. Aluminum-ion slashes that down to 10 minutes flat. In the near future, you'll plug in your Tesla, grab a coffee, and return to a fully charged car before the foam even settles. When it comes to lifespan, the aluminum-ion solution goes even further. Traditional lithium-ion batteries last around 8 years, managing up to 2,000 full charge cycles. Tesla's fusion-based aluminum-ion system is expected to last 25 to 27 years, with over 15,000 cycles while still retaining near full capacity. That means a Model 2 with this battery could easily outlast the vehicle itself, and the temperature flexibility is astonishing. Aluminum-ion works from -52 plus 150 Celsius, meaning no need for complex thermal systems. That saves weight, space, and cost. At its core, Tesla's new battery architecture is a two-layer marvel. One layer, the aluminum-ion cell, delivers consistent long-range power like a marathon runner. Layered atop it, a supercapacitor system handles rapid bursts of acceleration and regenerative braking like a high-speed sprinter. Together they form a synergy that removes the age-old compromise between range and performance, giving drivers both. But beyond tech specs, the question becomes, who controls the raw materials? Lithium is scarce, with only 22 million metric tons globally, 70% of which is concentrated in just 3 countries. Worse, China refines 85% of it, owning over global supply chains. Aluminous, in contrast, is abundant with over 700 million metric tons in global reserves. The US alone produces 1.7 million tons yearly, and aluminum is infinitely recyclable. To 95% of it can be reused without degradation, enabling a circular, cost-efficient ecosystem. This matters financially as well. Aluminum-ion batteries require simpler components, less processing, and faster production times. Tesla estimates this could drop battery pack costs from $15,000 to under $4,000, making electric vehicles truly affordable. A Model 2 with this tech won't just be a cheaper car, it'll be a revolution. Energy independence, affordability, next-level performance, all in one machine. It's not just about better batteries, it's about who will control the future of energy. Critics still scoff at aluminum-ion as a dream, but Tesla is making it real. Is it time to move past lithium? If you're ready for the shift, comment aluminum below. What's the mysterious element fueling Tesla's massive leap in charging and efficiency? The answer: graphene quantum dots. These microscopic atom-thin structures, just 1 nanometer wide, are 10,000 times thinner than a human hair. Yet their role in the battery is game-changing. Graphene quantum dots are precisely embedded within 2 areas, along the aluminum-ion anode and inside the separator layer. This layout forms an ultra-thin matrix that stops the formation of dendrites, sharp, needle-like structures in lithium batteries that cause internal shorts and degradation. These embedded dots form graphene highways that guide electron flow, improving stability and lifespan. And the proof is in the data. These quantum dots reduced internal resistance by up to 95% compared to traditional lithium-ion cells. That equals 40% higher power efficiency. More energy goes toward driving your Tesla, less toward heat. And during charging, these dots enable speeds up to 10 times faster than current systems, without the overheating risks that have plagued EVs for years. What's even more impressive, Tesla only needs 1 gram of graphene quantum dots per battery, about the size of a grain of rice, to power an entire vehicle. It's an example of precision engineering making real-world scalable impact. And unlike theoretical lab projects, Tesla's already running pre-production prototypes that prove performance, safety and reliability. While other companies are still publishing papers, Tesla is building factories. Full-scale production is slated for 2026. That gives Tesla a wide lead, while competitors are still trying to figure out how to scale without breaking budgets. By the time others catch up, Tesla could be multiple generations ahead. What does that mean for drivers? Batteries that charge quicker, run cooler, and last longer than the car itself, powered by a microscopic material you can't even see, yet that could transform the entire industry. So how does Tesla's QNP1 smart chip tie it all together? This next-gen quantum neural processing chip is embedded right beneath the center console of the Model 2, connected directly to biometric sensors and the energy system. This chip doesn't just react, it predicts. It learns how you drive, using GPS history, eye tracking, and even muscle tension sensors to preemptively optimize battery use. Through real-time adaptive mode switching, QNP1 improves efficiency by 25% and reduces battery degradation by 30%. A regular EV battery may handle 800 to 1,000 full charges, but with QNP1 optimization, Tesla expects between 1,200 to 1,500 charge cycles with nearly no loss in capacity, and that's just the start. QNP1 also enables biometric adaptive performance. Sensors track your stress levels and automatically adjust suspension, throttle response, and even ambient lighting based on how you're feeling. Tense, the car sharpens.com, it softens, no buttons, no settings, it just knows. That's not automation. That's personalization at a level once reserved for science fiction. In the Model 2, the technology adapts to you, not the other way around. But the Model 2 isn't just a vehicle. Thanks to aluminum-ion fusion, it becomes a node in the grid, a rolling energy hub. Tesla's fast discharge battery allows the car to store and share power with homes and cities. By 2026, analysts project that EVs like the Model 2 could stabilize 12% of urban grid demand during peak hours, turning every Tesla into a mobile energy buffer. Charging becomes frictionless. No more planning hours in advance. Just plug in, get your espresso and go. And aluminum-ion thrives in extreme weather from -50 to +80 C well without needing heavy thermal systems. From Canada to Dubai, one battery works everywhere. This tech also fuels Tesla's autonomous future. Robo-taxi fleets need durable, fast-charging batteries that can handle constant usage. The Model 2 fits perfectly. Tesla estimates aluminum-ion can save fleet operators over $12,000 in lifecycle costs due to fewer replacements and reduced downtime. So, what is the Model 2? A low-cost EV, a smart AI-powered transport tool, a city grid stabilizer? The answer is yes, all of the above. If you believe the Model 2 is more than just a car, comment Model 2 below. That's the future Tesla is building right now. While China's battery giants cling to the past, aluminum-ion, graphene, quantum dots, quantum neural chips, Tesla is stacking breakthrough on breakthrough. This isn't just another electric vehicle, it's the beginning of a new energy era. If that's a future you want to be part of, hit subscribe to Road Zone Reviews and tap the bell, because we're not just reporting the future, we're driving straight into it.